Hello everyone, it's Raj and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to unbox and review the Philips Avent Bendy Straw Cup which I bought from First Cry. So let's begin. So, the product cost me around 440 rupees. It's well packed. It's a 300 ml cup that is designed for toddlers 6 months and above. It's made of BPA free plastic and has a cute design. This model has 5 parts: container, straw, valve, screw top and flip cap. You can find an instruction manual within the product. It illustrates proper way of attaching the straw. The valve structure prevents leaks and colic. The tip of the straw is thick and can withstand toddler bites. The cup design is ergonomic. It has got a grip that makes it easy to hold for little hands. Philips has designed the flip cap in such a way that you won't attach it back the wrong way. The manual says to sterilize the product before first use. You should fill only water or milk. Then, for cleaning, no abrasives should be used. Use a straw brush if necessary. Before buying this cup, I used 2 unbranded products which broke within weeks, but this one still survives. Philips also recommends to replace the straws after 3 months, but I couldn't find any spare online. In short, it's a great product for toddlers to develop oral skills and independence while drinking. You can find the product links in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.